this evening. The good news is we're not going to see a lot more accumulating snow with this.
February 22nd, 2022. This is a look outside. No school today in Millbank. It's first official snow day of the year.
But it is going to be dangerously cold. And here's how much additional snow we could see. Most spots, a trace to 2 inches of snow. Maybe just east of Watertown over to Marshall, another 2 to maybe 3 inches of snow. And also, too, dangerously cold temperatures. A lot of us are below zero. A few spots still a little bit above zero with a very strong wind out of the north between sustained 20 and 30 miles per hour. And then visibility, too, down at times below 1 mile. Stay safe out there, everybody.
I'm all right with that. Paid day to stay home. Love it. Feb 22. It is 6 below. Interstate closed from Watertown to North Dakota to maybe to Fargo last night. Not open yet. Many schools closed, especially up here in the northeast corner. No travel advised in Grant County, all those types of things. I haven't seen a car out here. I saw Ken Van Orney riding his little ATV out on the front of our house there, but just a cold wind. City plows were out, I don't know, probably 4 a.m. and they will be needed again. I'm a little bit frozen in the mouth, been shoveling out front. 2222 brings good luck to the students of Millbank who did not want school. I know there's plenty of people who do, teachers and students. I sure wouldn't have minded school today, but gotta take what comes. Maybe a little late tomorrow too on a Wednesday. Not sure about that. We've had several late starts, but this is our first full snow day of the year. Saw some people ice skating last night, playing hockey. That had to be cold. Nobody out there today. And I would assume there's nobody in the high school parking lot, but I want to get going on some different things. Oh, there's a car too. Mr. Schooler's up here. Okay. I'm not going to be the only one. Just a question of how to get in there. And I'm going to do that in a minute here. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Almost too easy. 6 below, wind chill probably hitting about that minus 30 mark. And I'll go right here. Had the 22 for Feb 22 all ready to go in the window. That'll stay up there this week. That's a beautiful little jersey. Tomorrow's actually the 23rd, so I can wear this baby again. Good things going on in here. Probably 50 some days of school left. I'm going to count them here in a bit. And this will all of a sudden change.
South Dakota. I mentioned the additional snowfall amounts will remain light, and you can see that coming in around 1 inch, maybe 2. Hard to measure, though, because of our strong winds. Futurecast bringing in that snow through the afternoon hours, especially across eastern Kettleland. By this evening, a lot of this will be to our east, just plain cold tonight as numbers fall to the teens and 20s below zero. Keep in mind the wind chills tonight in the minus 20s and minus 30s. Another round of snow possible. South central, eastern, southeastern Kettleland. This is for Thursday.
Skies 18 below, minus 38 wind chill. Tomorrow sunny, high minus 3. Tomorrow night 14 below. And Thursday slight chance of snow afternoon, partly sunny and a high of 3. Friday sun 11, 26 on Saturday with sun and back to 12. On Sunday 6 below now, minus 31. Our KWAT wind chill.
Hi again, everybody. Welcome to Corn Comments, the radio program at the folks who work in what's considered by most to be a dangerous occupation, our state's farm and ranch families. We're brought to you by
the threat of war in Ukraine with Russia is on. It's on high. Gas prices soaring. Only $3.39 here. Could be worse. School has to be starting late, according to Brad Olson. It will tomorrow. Quite the wind we got picking up here. No school in Millbank today.
Hi, I'm Wiley Merceau.
Got trucks coming in from the side. Oh, great day, great day. 11:31. .247 still blowing here in Millbank. Mom went and had physical therapy, so up to pick her up. Very, very cold. 305. 4 below. Main Street headed north. Used to be so much fun to go climb big hills like that and feel like you're on top of the earth. Don't see kids doing that much anymore. The streets of Millbank, South Dakota. Central Millbank.
The snowfall is about done, but we are seeing the cold air that's blowing that snow around. That's going to continue tonight, and it is going to get cold. After the snow is dipping to a low of 11 below in Sioux Falls, and Aberdeen 23 below, Pierre 20 below, Rapid City with light snow flurries 14 degrees below zero, and yes, there'll be wind chills on top of those temperatures. Tomorrow during the day, partly to mostly cloudy skies, not much warmer. 8 Sioux Falls, 6 below Aberdeen, 2 in Pierre, 3 in Rapid City. Lots of cold air the rest of the week. We'll have the numbers for you in just a bit. KELOLA News starts now.
Will you be able to contact you? In other words, if it bleeds or touches.
-30. Here are the air temperatures overnight, and these are scary cold. 11 below in Sioux Falls. Aberdeen 23 below. That's close to a record. 20 below in Pierre. Flurries and 14 below in Rapid City. Then tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy.
How long have you been with children's?
Around the Victor area. It's been just, that's where the heavy snowfall has been, right in the Coteau, the northeastern corner of South Dakota. Britain, 7.5 inches. Big Stone City, 7 inches. And Eureka, which I showed you before, at
Big
6 inches.
Stone.
This is what it looked like today in Sioux Falls. We had very, very, very light snow, hardly any additional accumulation, but that snow is going to stay on the ground a while.
Big drift in the front.
Back and forth until the wind stops blowing.
Mike Mock.
This isn't only income for the winter, but gets us going into our spring work as well.
It's kind of been goofy. There's not been a lot of snow this season.
7:28. Never too late. Driving out of town. No. Wanted to go watch a movie, but headed to the school to work on some yearbook stuff, I suppose. Just organizing. Way overdue on that deed. No skaters out there tonight. Don't blame them. Somebody's actually in the parking lot right now. Wow.